MadMuscles promises a personal trainer in your pocket for a fraction of the cost. But while the workouts are slick, the billing is controversial. Here is the truth about MadMuscles in 2026. The product itself is solid. After a detailed quiz, the app builds a custom plan based on your gear, whether you're at home with a chair or in a full gym. The AI load correction ensures you're always progressing. It's more than just lifting. It's a full ecosystem. You get tailored meal plans and habit trackers to manage stress and sleep. For beginners, the structure is incredibly easy to follow and very motivating. Now the warning. Many users report hidden charges and a difficult cancellation process. If you sign up, read the terms carefully. Use a payment method like PayPal so you can manage the subscription from your own dashboard. If you can navigate the subscription traps, the fitness content is top tier. It works if you do. Check the link to see their latest challenges and subscribe for more honest app reviews.